Right, just a little bit about using a Lidl pneumatic pop riveter. Put it on the line. So I've got 2 bits here. I've already drilled 5 holes in. It's a repair piece I made up a long while ago. Took it off again because I've redone the repair. Using these rivets, I don't know if that's going to focus in. 4.8, these are 12mm I believe. So, stick it on. Job's a good one. It's pretty quick. It's dead easy. As you can see, I'm using it one-handed because I'm holding workpiece in other hand. But for Land Rover, it's absolutely fantastic. It built up a battery box and seat box. No idea how many rivets are actually used in that, but it were a lot. I don't know if you can see both sides, but that's it. Simple as that. Take the airline off. It's a Lidl air riveter. It does what it says on tin. Top price. Can't fault it.